Hi Earth Schoolers! For our project today, we are going to continue to develop our skills with our single needle tool. We're going to be making a piece about the monarch butterfly life cycle. It'll be similar to this one, and we're going to be doing some fine detail work, and it's going to be a fun one. Let's get started.
My first stage of my monarch caterpillar going up here, and he's going to be eating his milkweed leaf. Up here, I'm going to sketch out where he becomes a beautiful monarch butterfly. So I'm just going to, and like I said, I'm going to be covering this up with wool in a little bit, so I'm going to plan to go a little bit smaller. We are going to be using both our multi-needle tool and our single needle for this one. I am going to use my single needle first to kind of do the outline, and then I'll use my multi-needle to fill in. So I'm going to, good method for details here. I'm going to make this little snake rope shape. I'm going to hold one end of it. I love how with wool you can get as detailed or as not detailed as you want, and it still really looks neat how the fibers blend together. It's one of my favorite parts. Okay, so let's do our caterpillar in this stage where he's forming his body into a J. I might have made this one a little too close, but you know what I remember I can do? Just pull it up and redo it. That's another reason why I love this medium. It's very easy to change things. So of course, if you have a bigger piece of base fabric than 4x6, you will have a lot more room to go into a lot more detail if you choose. This is going to stand out really pretty against this blue. That's kind of why I chose the blue for the background. When you use complementary colors together, like orange and blue, they really stand out. Those are the two opposite each other on the color wheel that we made earlier. Again, if you kind of form it into the shape you want before laying it down, it does help a little bit. Okay, I'm going to use this. When I go to add more details, it is sometimes easier if it's flatter. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave him like that. Okay, so this project was doing lots of detail work with a single needle, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.